If you currently have or are looking to sign up for a Google One Premium plan, you can save on a YouTube Premium subscription when you buy it as an add-on. In this video, we'll show you how and answer a few common questions. As a Google One Premium member, you get extended cloud storage for Google products like Photos and Drive, premium benefits across Google products, and access to Google's most capable AI models. YouTube Premium gives you uninterrupted access to YouTube and YouTube Music, allowing you to enjoy content without ads and in the background even when you're offline. Sign up by going to the Google One website or through the Google One app on your Android device. For a full breakdown of Google One and YouTube Premium plans, check out the articles in the description. First, let's go over how to get the YouTube Premium add-on to Google One on an Android device. Start by opening the Google One app. Next, tap the menu icon, then Membership Plans. If you're not a Google One Premium member or need to upgrade your Google One plan to a higher tier, select one of the following plans: Google One Premium with at least 2 terabytes of storage, or Google One AI Premium. Next, click Get Offer. If you already have a Google One Premium or Google One AI Premium monthly subscription plan, but would like to get the YouTube Premium add-on, click Add to Plan. If you have an annual subscription to Google One Premium or Google One AI Premium, your annual subscription will be switched to a monthly plan with a refund for the remaining time. Going forward, Google One and the discounted YouTube Premium membership will be billed monthly. Keep in mind that if you have an existing promotional price for Google One, this will cancel that promotion. Then, review the new plan price and details. Finally, select your payment method and click Subscribe to complete the process. Now, open the YouTube app using the same account that you redeemed the offer from. Tap on the U button. Next, press the Settings icon, then select Purchases and Memberships. Confirm that YouTube Premium has been added as an active membership. Now, let's go over how to get the YouTube Premium add-on via a web browser. iPhone users can also follow these steps to sign up. Go to one.google.com. Next, on the left panel, click Plans. Follow the steps to subscribe to a Google One Premium plan or upgrade your existing Google One plan to one that's eligible for the YouTube Premium add-on. Finally, go to YouTube using the same account that you redeemed the offer from. Select your profile icon. Next, click Purchases and Memberships to confirm your YouTube Premium membership has been activated. Let's go over some questions you might have about bundling YouTube Premium to Google One at a discounted rate. What if I already have a YouTube Premium membership? To avoid being billed twice, cancel your existing YouTube Premium membership and use YouTube Premium until the end of your billing period before purchasing a new subscription. Check out the article in the description for instructions on how to cancel your YouTube Premium membership. If I get YouTube Premium for my Google One family plan, will my family also get YouTube Premium? The YouTube Premium offer that comes with Google One is an individual plan, only for the primary Google One account holder. Other family members on the Google One storage plan will not get YouTube Premium benefits and need their own subscription. What if I have a Google One Basic plan or cancel or downgrade my Google One Premium membership? Google One Basic is not eligible for the YouTube Premium deal. If you downgrade or cancel your Google One Premium plan, your YouTube Premium membership will be canceled at the end of the billing cycle. Why am I not seeing this offer? This feature is being gradually rolled out to users in the United States. It is not yet available to everyone. To learn more about Google One and YouTube Premium subscription plans, check out the articles in the description. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.